Hey guys, I hope you have wonderful day. So today I am going to show you how to create WordPress blog. This is very beginner friendly method and you will create blog without knowing any designing skills or web skills. So don't need to worry about those stuff. If you are someone who want to create a blog and like to blog in, this is perfect video for you. So this video may have 2 episodes, so maybe 3 episodes. So this is the first episode. In this episode I will show you how to find WordPress template or WordPress theme for blogging and how to install it. After that, how to customize it. So this is really easy and really fast method. So let's start. First of all, I already installed WordPress into localhost, so I already have those videos about how to install WordPress in your localhost. So I will put those link on description and just follow those steps and install WordPress into your localhost or your server. So first of all, we have to find WordPress login template. To do that, go to Google and search WordPress login theme for free. Then you will get lot of results. So I will go to first result. In the first result it say 30% best free login WordPress theme 2020. So I go inside it and okay, I saw lot of templates. So let me find good one. So there has news photo. Let's check this one. I click on live demo button and there's another theme called Superman. So let's click live demo too. Okay, let's go to news portal. It is still loading, but it will load. Okay, the template is good, so we can customize this template and create our own version of this template. So I like this template. So let's check Supermac theme. The both templates are same, but I will go for the news portal theme. So you can download the same template if you want. I will put the link on description. This is free, and I click on this download button. After that, it downloaded. Then I click on the zip file. I open the zip file and I see the folder called news portal. So I go inside that. When you go inside that, if there has PHP file like function.php, comment.php, header.php, that means this is a template file. So that means you can upload this template file to this theme to your WordPress website. I go to WordPress dashboard and go to appearance, then click on theme. After that, I have to find that zip file. It's in my download folder, so I will find it. Give me a second to find it. Yes, I found it. So only you have to click on add new button on your dashboard. After that, click on upload theme. Then you have to drag that zip file into this choose file and drop it. After that, click install now. Then it will install. After that, click on activate. Now it's not still activated, so it's activated. Now I hover the website name and click on visit site. So when I go to site, it see like this. So it's little bit mess, but let's customize it. So I go to appearance. In appearance there has link called customize. So I click on customize link. If you follow with me, if you get the same theme as I get, you will see the area like this on customize. But if you get the different theme, those link and preview may different, but this is news portal theme looks. So first of all, go to general setting and click on site identity. After that, add your site title. So my site title will be AC Blogger 101. So this is my site title and my tagline is WordPress tutorial. If I want, I can remove the site title and tagline, but I will show it. Also, if you want to add image here, only you have to create image and click on select logo. After that, paste your image here and click on it. After that, it will come here and this site title will disappear. So this is look cool, so I will go for it. After that, go to colors. In colors, you can change the color. So I already changed this color to red, so its default color is blue, but I already tested, that's why I changed the color. By the way, I can change theme color also. I can change header text color. So if I click here, I can change the color, but for now this will be good. Also you can change background color, but I don't need to change it. After that, I go back, then I go to background image. If you want background image, you can add background image, but I am not going to add any background image. Don't touch static front page and go to website layout. In website layout, you can get it as full width or box. I go for full width. Just follow through the customization option. You will easily able to customize your template appearance. So I am not going to change anything because this template so nice. I am happy with this template look because this is really beginner friendly, so I don't need to go deeper. But if you need to go deep inside WordPress and learn more about WordPress, I have whole tutorial about WordPress, so I will put that link on description. Okay, then I have to save and publish. After that, I need to change this area because I like to change it. To change it, you have to go to widgets. There has link called widgets. When you click on it, you will go to this place. So I click on sidebar. In sidebar, there has search. Search means this one, so I don't need that search bar, so I remove it. After that, there has recent post and recent comments. Also there has category. So if you want to add something on here, you have to click on add the widget. After that, you can add anything you want. So what we want, currently I don't need anything, but let's add something to here. Okay, let's add this one. So I click on it. Currently there has nothing because we don't have any categories or any posts. So in next lesson you will find out how to create post pages, and also you will able to find out how to change this menu. So far I will just put it like this and I will click save and publish. This is how you can download the template and install it on your WordPress website. After that, customize it. So this is really basic because we don't need to go deeper to create blogging website. So also, if you need additional information, you can go to documentation of this template. So I go to important theme links, so I click on it and I click on documentation, so it open documentation. And also you can upgrade to pro of this template, but I am not going to upgrade it. Also you can check the tutorials, but for now I go to template, and if you have any kind of issues, you can follow the template and fix those issues. Also I have video about how to customize your template using the documentation. So if you follow with me, I hope your theme will be look like this. And next video, in episode 2, I will show you how to add post, categories and pages. So I will see you in next one. Bye bye.